let's do Ain't Nice. It's based around a riff. It's kind of it's really dance music. And so it's just one riff, you know. It's and the song though is D, C, B minor. So I guess we'd say the song is in D. But they just, you know, nobody's playing chords in this song. They're just playing riffs. And the guitar, I watched a couple live performances. The guitar doesn't really play during the verses where he's singing. And then at the end, they're just kind of doing octaves, like. If I was just playing this and I was the only guitar in the band, well, let's first learn the riff. So we're at the third fret is where we put our index finger, and even though it's in D, our D is here on the fifth fret, A string. So we hit that choice. So I'm playing on the A and the D string so far. We come up to the fifth fret on the D string, and then that's our cue to go C on the A string at the third fret, B, and then we climb. Now we're going to climb back up to D. And this is kind of a classic shape. It makes like a sideways H shape. Is what you could just play that riff the whole song, but if you if you were the only guitar, you might want to do some double note things. So here I'm playing the D and G strings. All right, out of this, this is a D bar chord. I'm just playing them with my index finger at the seventh. Then I'm hammering on to the 9. No, the 10. I'm hammering on to the 10. And then we go down to the C. We're at the 5. We can hammer on to the G and D strings at the 7. And then we can slide down to the B. That's going to be at the 4th fret. Then we can walk that back up to the D. I'm just sliding it instead of hammering it on. See, I made a mistake there, but I just kept going like I was walking it down. Like I was playing a passing chord. So there's a couple ways to play it. You could also do like a. You could also like play a chord and then play the little climb ups in between. Okay, thanks for that request. Had fun playing that one. Bye.